So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company. So first important opportunity from the Geo. They are hiring for the role of Associate Information Security, and this is the role, that is the information security. So job location is Mumbai, and what will be your roles and responsibility? You will assist in monitoring security system and supporting incident response, monitor and analyze the security events, help implement and maintain security controls and measures. So these are the requirements, and I will provide all the job link in the description. You can directly apply from that. And friends, what are the requirement? Education requirement is BE, B.Tech from CS, IT, EC, preferable. But if you are from other branches also, and if you have tech knowledge, then you can also apply. So freshers are eligible for this. So 0 to 3 years experience. So if you are 2024, 2025, and all you can apply. So skills and competency, you should have basic understanding of information security principle, strong problem solving skill, and good communication ability, and willingness to learn. So this was a wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply. Coming to next important opportunity, finally Cognizant have announced the fresher hiring for 2026 graduate, and that is for 3 year full-time degree. So soon, for 4 year means for B.Tech students means also announced. So whenever it will be announced, I will provide complete update on that. But currently it has been open for 3 year full time degree program. And friends, there will be also mass hiring from the Cognizant too. So make sure to prepare for this. Okay, just prepare for the NQT in good way. You will be prepared already for this exam. So no need to give any extra effort or extra attempt. So this is the job roles and descriptions. So you will assist in product operations, and skills required that good management skill, good written skill, teamwork management. And 2026 batch BCA, BSc all are eligible, and you should have minimum 60%. That's the general criteria for the Cognizant. Coming to next important hiring from the nymax, they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee, and end date for this is 9th March 2025. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. So for applying, just you have to click here the link, and you will be redirected to new page. Okay, so when you will redirect to new page, just you have to basically fill this form about your surname, gender, and all those things, and just you have to upload your CV. Again saying, friend, before applying, make sure to upload with your updated CV. Okay, so that's the important things. Coming to next important opportunity from, this is a kind of internship opportunity, and this is one of the good AI opportunity. You should apply. This is the world of AI, and AI is growing too fast, so you should have, means you should do such internship that will basically boost your resume too. So required skill will be React, Next.js, TypeScript, Modern, JavaScript, and Git and open source. If you have knowledge on all that things, then you can apply. If you have some experience in query or AWR, then it is a good thing. So this is a good opportunity, everyone should apply. For applying, you have to just fill the application forms and provide all those details. If you have some experience, then it's also good, but freshers are eligible for this too. Coming from last role, that is from the TechMahindra, they are hiring for the role of service desk L1 support. So this is support role. So if you are interested for support role, means IT support career, then you can apply for this, and you will basically handle IT break fix request across multiple channels. So who are eligible? Graduate, B.Tech, BSc, BCA, or MCA, all are eligible. So freshers too with 1 year experience still, if you have, then you are eligible for this hiring, and will be 5 day working and rotational shift. So if you are interested, you can just share your resume to this. And again saying, share your resume as soon as possible. Don't be late. Okay, because many of the candidates are saying that link is not working. Why? Because you are applying late. So make sure to apply as soon as possible. And for getting such important opportunity, you can apply. We have already launched the coding series, so if you have been following that, then that is a good thing. This will basically boost your confidence. And I think those who have saw our video related to 3rd March 2026, now will get idea that what will the level of TCS and QT exam. So prepare accordingly, and you can follow our channel for multiple hiring opportunity and coding videos. Thank you.